It is rare when a property becomes available for sale that has a feature that you might have never seen before, and that's exactly what you're looking for, something unique. 276 Hastings is a beautiful detached home that's located in a quiet pocket of very desirable Leslieville. It's move-in ready, and it has a large detached garage that is lovingly nicknamed the Garaj Mahal. And if you keep watching, you'll see exactly why it has earned that nickname. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has an open concept main floor that features an enormous yet warm and inviting kitchen that looks like it's straight out of a magazine. As you move through the kitchen, you exit into the west-facing backyard where you find that unique aspect that 276 Hastings provides. The Garaj Mahal is your personal movie theater for weekend movie nights, a clubhouse for the kids to hang out in while you get some peace and quiet inside the house, the neighborhood gathering spot, oh, and it's a place where you can park your car. The Garaj Mahal is the perfect extension of the home and provides an incredible outdoor entertaining space. And don't forget about this home's incredible location. You're a 4-minute walk from Greenwood Park, a 6-minute walk from the lineup of delicious restaurants on Gerrard Street in Little India, a 7-minute walk from Left Field Brewery, and just down the street is one of the best pizza places in the city, Blondies. As if all of that wasn't enough, this property is in complete conformance with Toronto's zoning bylaws, giving you the potential to construct a 2-story laneway house. Need I say more? I'm Jamie Harnish with Bosley Real Estate. You can send me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to share with you more photos, floor plans, laneway house plans, or you can book a private tour of this beautiful home. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future tours.